Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Natalie and I do videos on handbag reviews, unboxings, a bit of luxury eye candy. So if that's your cup of tea, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys all the different ways you can style the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire. I have it in the monogram canvas and this is such an everyday go-to bag. There's so many different ways you can style it. I have about 8 different ways you can style it with one bonus one at the end. So stay tuned if you want to see all the different ways you can style the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire. Before we get started, I just wanted to mention that I have done an unboxing, a review and how I got my hands on this, and also a what fits inside the Pochette Accessoire video, so I'll link those down below if you guys are interested. So the first way you can style it is obviously with this strap that it comes with. So when you purchase it from the Louis Vuitton boutique, it comes with this Pochette leather strap and you can just wear it as like a little shoulder bag. So that's the first way you can style it, kind of like that very 90s vibe, just on like an evening out or just a casual day out to brunch. You could just whip it over your shoulder and just wear it as a shoulder bag. The second way you can wear it is by detaching the lobster clasp and attaching it to the other side and just wearing it as like a little wristlet. So if you wanted to have something in your hands and just have it on your wrist like that, that's another way you can wear it, and that's super cute as well. So the third way you can style it is by detaching the strap entirely and just using it as a little clutch. So just popping it under your shoulder like that. I think that is so elegant, so nice just for an evening out, or just holding onto the top like that. I think that's super cute. So now we get into the fun part of styling the Pochette Accessoire by attaching different straps and accessories to make it your own. So because the Pochette Accessoire has 2 little D-rings on the side, you can attach your own straps, accessories. So that's what I love about it. It's so versatile. Even though it's just a very simple plain pouch, you can definitely accessorize it. All of the accessories I'm mentioning today are from a company called Organize My Bag, and this video is not sponsored, but Natalie from Organize My Bag, who has a great name by the way, she has kindly sent me a few of her new items and accessories from her collection to try out. And I've also got my own stash here that I've purchased myself previously. So I'll share with you guys all the different ways I style it. But let's start off with the fourth way of styling it, and this is by far my favorite way and most used way of styling the Pochette Accessoire, and it's by attaching a long vachetta leather strap to it. So I use it mainly as a crossbody bag, just casually going to the shops, running errands. It's such a carefree way of using the Pochette Accessoire. It holds all the essentials if you saw my what fits inside video, and it's just so easy to just like whip this over your shoulder just like that. This strap is also adjustable as well, so I love this, and I even got this one hot stamped with N, so I love that. And this is such an easy way to just like wear casually like this, like whip it over your shoulder. It's adjustable, so if you're taller or shorter than me, I'm about 163 centimeters tall, so that's how it sits on me. It's perfect just at my hip, so I love that. Just going to the grocery store, running errands, and just using this as a casual bag, just an everyday casual crossbody bag. Everything that I mentioned in this video today, I will link in the description box below. I do also have a 10% discount code with Organize My Bag, so feel free to use that if you want to save a bit of money. And all of their straps range from about $39 to about $99, so depending on if you want like a leather strap or a chain strap or a pearl strap, they're all catered to different budgets and styles, so definitely check them out. I'll leave it in the description box below. So the fifth way of styling Pochette Accessoire is also one of my favorites, and it's by attaching this gorgeous gold oval link chain to it. So this is from Organize My Bag as well, and it's so beautiful. It just glistens in the light. The way the oval link chains kind of reflect, because they're like flat edged, they reflect the light when you move it around, so I love that. And again, it matches the gold to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire perfectly. And this reminds me of like the Felici pouch chain that it comes with. So attaching that, they all have really nice lobster clasps, so it attaches really easily to the handbag. So this is more of like a shoulder bag look, like a very elegant evening bag shouldered look. So just have it on your shoulder like that, which is super nice. You can even pop it over your shoulder if you wanted to be more hands-free and not have to worry about the bag being on your shoulder, so you can use it like that. And I think that's more of an elegant look, kind of like a shoulder bag for nights out, date night, anything like that. So that just like amps up the dressiness of the Pochette Accessoire so much. So I love this look too. Before I forget to mention, the size of this chain is small. It comes in like an extra small, medium and large. And just depending on your height and how you want to use the chain, you can get like a longer one, which is like a medium or large, or a shorter one, which is the extra small. I'm about 163 centimeters, and I think this fits perfectly. I think this is a 43-inch. Don't quote me, but as I mentioned, I'll leave everything in the description box below. You can check it out. But yeah, I love this way to wear the pochette accessoire as well. So now moving on to the sixth way of styling the pochette accessoire, we'll be converting it into a dressier shorter shoulder bag. And we'll still be using this gold oval link chain, but rather than attaching it to this D ring here, we'll just detach it and loop it through. So because this little lobster clasp is quite small, it's perfect for this. So you can just loop it through like that and just thread it and pull it through. And then you just want to hook it onto the other side, so where the other lobster clasp is, and just hook it on, and then you just pull it through and you've made yourself a little dressy shoulder bag. So how pretty is that? I love the look of this. I just love how versatile this oval link chain is and how pretty and sparkly it is. So you just pop it over your shoulder like that, and that is such a nice little evening bag. So before, when we attached this vachetta leather strap to it, it was more like a casual day bag. You could still wear it out on the night out, but this just elevates it times 10. Like, this just makes it so pretty. It matches the gold hardware of the zipper, and again, I just love this gold oval link chain. So that's the sixth way of wearing or styling the pochette accessoire, as a little dressier shoulder bag. So the seventh way of styling the pochette accessoire, I'm going to categorize as just a fun way of styling it, and that's because I have a few different options here, but they're all very fun, very loud, very out there. And this is perfect if you have that kind of personality, if you just want to stand out, be a little bit different, and just wear your bags in a really fun way. So the first way is this gorgeous pearl strap that I got from Organize My Bag recently. So thank you, Natalie, for sending this through. This is so gorgeous. This gorgeous pearl strap, it gives me very like Chanel-esque vibes. So the gold is a little bit more yellow compared to like the gold on the oval link chain, but I'm okay with that. It's more of a fun, edgy look anyway. So I will attach that to the D-rings, and it's really well made. Like, you can tell the pearls are just, obviously they're faux pearls, but they're not like light and flimsy. They're actually really thick, really nice to hold. So I think that is so elegant. Like, that is so cute, just having it on your shoulder like that. I think this pearl strap also comes in like a chain version, so if you don't want it as long as this and just wanted like a little chain to maybe hang off and decorate the pochette accessoire, you could do that too. But I think that is so cute. So the second strap that's part of Organize My Bag's recent launch is this gorgeous chunky gold chain here, and this gold actually matches the gold perfectly. So it's only the pearl strap that the gold is a little bit more yellow, so if that kind of worries you, definitely look into this gold chunky chain here. I think this is so cool, and it gives me very like the Louis Vuitton, I think it's the Cousine bag, that leather lambskin bag. It has like this chunky chain on it, and this is so trendy right now. This is so cool, and it's actually like really cold, like it's really nice to touch. And this just hooks on again with the circle clasp, and this also comes in like a keychain version, so if you don't want it as long to use as a shoulder bag and just wanted like a keychain, they also offer that too. But how cool does that look? I love like the juxtaposition between the very elegant small pochette accessoire and then this chunky chain, and that's just like with the Cousine bag. The Cousine bag is probably a tad bit bigger than this, but it's got a chunky gold chain on it, and I think that is so cool. So you could even whip it over your shoulder like that, or just have it in the crook of your arm. I think that is super cool. So yeah, I love this too. I'm not sure which one I love more, the pearl strap or the chunky chain strap. They're both different vibes, so I guess it's good to have both. And this chain is actually really hefty. Like, it's not heavy to the point where it will hurt your shoulder if you have it on your shoulder, but it's not lightweight where it feels super flimsy. It's like the perfect medium, and I just, yeah, the way it feels in your hands is so nice. So that's the second fun styling way of styling the pochette accessoire. And then the last accessory I got a while ago is this gorgeous marble taupe acrylic chain. And with these acrylic chains, I think they come in like an iridescent, a black, maybe a brown, and a grey or a white. They have different colors, so depending on what bag you want to use it on or what color you prefer, they have different colors to cater for that. But I thought that this marble kind of taupey color, browny color, would match perfectly with the brown on the monogram. So again, it's got the really easy clasp to clip onto the D-rings. I think this also comes in a chain version too. I do actually have an iridescent color chain of this, so a shorter version, which I like to put on my Chanel Square Mini, my pink Chanel Square Mini. I think it's so cute. But yeah, this is another look. So it's very similar in that it's very chunky, kind of like this gold chunky one. But this one is kind of like a little different vibe. They've got like that kind of look to it. And you can hang it off like that and then put like a strap and just have it decorated as like a little accessory to it. So for example, if I wanted to attach my shoulder strap, pochette shoulder strap, I can put that on and just make it a little bit more unique, a little bit more different to just like a standard pochette. So pop that on, and yeah, you can just accessorize it depending on your style and what you wear, and your kind of, if you want to be a bit more edgy, by using like this thick strap or this acrylic chain, or a little bit more girly and feminine by using this pearl chain. I think that is super cute too. So yeah, I just love all the different ways that Organize My Bag have come out with all these different chains and straps and accessories to accessorize your bags and just make it your own. So I love that about it. And I love all these chains here. This one, because it is acrylic, it is a lot more lightweight. So if you're worried about this one being too heavy, definitely look into the acrylic ones and all the different colors that they offer. So these 3 chains are just examples of different ways that you can fun style the pochette accessoire, and definitely let your imagination go wild. Just do what you love, wear what you love, and yeah, just rock it. So yeah, these are just 3 examples, but I love this way. It's so fun. So the 8th way of styling the pochette accessoire is to style it in a more sporty, edgy, trendy vibe, and that's by attaching a thick cotton strap. I only have my strap from my Prada re-edition 2005 bag to show you. Organize My Bag do offer a brown cotton strap that matches the brown and the vachetta leather perfectly, but it was sold out when I last looked. So I've just got this as an example, but you can probably find these on Amazon, or just wait for the Organize My Bag one to come back in stock. So I will just attach it and show you what I mean. This is very trendy right now, like that whole thick guitar strap look, and you can even adjust it to make it a little bit shorter if you wanted to, just to make that kind of like crossbody bum bag kind of style, which makes it more trendy. And I think that is so cute, especially because the pochette accessoire is quite small anyway, so it's not like a huge bag on your chest. This actually sits really nicely. It's quite compact and slim, so it's not going to bulge out or anything. So I think that is such a cool way to wear it too, just like a very casual, trendy vibe. So a very sporty vibe. So you can even just have it up there if you wanted to. And again, depending on the strap that you get, I'm just using the Prada one as an example, but this also works too. But I think the Organize My Bag ones are brown, which will match it perfectly. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, there is a bonus way that you could wear and style the pochette accessoire, and I consider it as a bonus because this won't necessarily work for everyone. And it's by attaching like a strap, for example, even this gold chain here around your waist, and wearing it as a belt bag. Because it is relatively small, you can kind of get away with wearing it as a belt bag, but again, because of everyone's different shapes and sizes, it may not necessarily work, and that's why I've considered it just as a bonus. So I'll show you as an example. So again, just attaching one side to it. So I'll pop this over all around my waist and show you what I mean. So as you can see, it's super loose, but if I was to get like a larger chain, I could loop around twice and that'll work. If I could even just like cinch it and just tie it with like a scrunchie or like a hair tie, and that'll look really cute too. So you can kind of wear it as a bum bag because it's not too big. This one here is just kind of like a nicer size for everyday wear, like it fits your phone or your essentials. I think if you were wearing jeans or pants that had like a belt loop, you could definitely hook this onto the belt loop and that'll sit a lot better rather than tying the chain up. But yeah, that's another bonus way of styling and wearing the pochette accessoire as a belt bag or a bum bag just on your waist like that. And I think it's super cute, but again, it's not for everyone, so that's why I've just added it as a bonus. So yeah, those are all the different ways you can style the pochette accessoire. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun sharing with you guys all the different ways. My cheeks are hurting now because I've been smiling the whole time, and like I get really happy just finding different ways to use my bags, decorating, accessorizing it, and just changing it up to make it my own. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to see you back in future videos. I have a lot more content planned, so stay tuned for that. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.